Great to open up the video like this. I don't know where this duck came from.
Live fish, rush, keep out of direct sunlight.
Check these out. It's so crazy to see how big they are. Hey, Action Jackson. They're right in that black cooler.
You got us fish.
Yes, for this pond right here. Oh my God! What is going on, crows? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a new animal at my front door. I don't know where this duck came from. It's one of the Muscovy ducks, same exact duck as Kevin was. I'm not kidding you, this duck has been here for 2 days. I don't know where it came from. Literally probably just flew here or someone might have dropped it, I don't know. It's been hanging out with me all day. It even worked out with me this morning. This duck's literally working out with us this morning. And she's, oh God, and she's a little aggressive. I was just about to say how she's a little aggressive. Ow, 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 dude, why? Stop that, don't, no bite. Great to open up the video like this. I don't know where this duck came from. Leave me alone. I need you to name this crazy duck in the comments down below. I'm going to the fish building. Look at her. She's looking for me. I see you out there. What a devil of a duck. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. Mine's quite interesting. Today we're actually surprising the VZ kids over at the old PC farm with brand new fish for the 4,000 gallon pond. We end up doing that later, but before we get to that, I had to just show you where the heck is this thing? Why are you so mean? But I don't understand because she's really nice sometimes too. You want to come in the fish building? I swear someone raised this thing. Someone must have. It doesn't really make much sense. What do you guys think? Do you think someone dropped this off? Do you think it's wild and just humanly tamed? I kind of like it though. It reminds me of Kevin. A random Muscovy duck is now hanging out in the fish building. You really just don't know what you're gonna see on this channel. Ow, ow, that's the PC merch. You can get that at the top link in the description. Listen, buddy, what do you say that we go over to the fish house? Hey, listen, buddy, stop. What is going on? Listen, fellas, I'm sure you can watch this all day, but it's time to go put these new fish into the 4,000 gallon aquarium. You're kind of cool, but at the same time, you're such a jerk. So I really don't know how I feel about this duck. We have a toxic relationship. Me and this duck really do. I guess it's good to have you here at the PC farm. I'm gonna roll the clips from yesterday. I'm filming on the GoPro, which I love to do every once in a while. It's great.
Live fish, rush, keep out of direct sunlight.
You already know who this is from, our favorites over at Next Day Koi. If you guys are looking to get any koi fish, goldfish, whatever it may be, from the cheapest to the more expensive, go to nextdaykoi.com. I have a promo code down below for 10% off. I've had this code for 3 years now. You guys always use it. You go on the website, you pick a koi fish, goldfish, whatever, multiple fish, and the box arrives at your house the next day. It's literally like Amazon Prime for live fish. Craziest thing ever. And you can also schedule it for a different day if you didn't want the fish to arrive the next day. Let's say you're not home or something. Schedule it for arrival whenever. Nextdaykoi.com, just wanted to let you guys know. They're my homies over there. We actually used to do some really, really cool stuff with them. We got to make our trip back out there again soon. Showing the entire facility and the way it works over there at Next Day Koi. It is one cool place. We got some koi fish and we're gonna bring them over to our 4,000 gallon pond at the old PC farm, the old farm, which we haven't been there in a while either. So let's get to work here. We do have one slight problem though. I'm not going to the house until tomorrow. I didn't realize I was gonna be so busy today, so I have to actually cut these koi fish out of the box, put them into a cooler with an aerator so that they'll make it until tomorrow, and then we'll drive that cooler over to the house. So let's break this box open and get these fish into somewhere where they'll be a bit better than a pitch black box. This GoPro vlogging thing is kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie. You ever been on a knife POV? This is the knife's POV right here. If you guys ever need to know how to acclimate, the Next Day Koi sends you a whole little card. I mention this every time we get koi fish from Next Day Koi. The packaging is just fantastic. Ho, yeah. Oh wow, these are some biggins. Oh, whoa. Yo, Casey sent me some freaking studs. I'm jealous, I don't want to give these away. Check these out. Wow, beautiful fish. How many are there? There's 6 of them. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, these are so pretty. We got some Jinrin scales on that golden white one over there and some beautiful butterfly koi. It looks like they might all be butterfly. Tell you what, Next Day Koi has some pretty koi fish. And another cool thing is on their website, every single fish you see is the actual fish you're gonna get. So if you see a cool pattern, that's the exact fish you'll get. They put them into these tubs and take pictures. It's really cool. I'm really hyping Next Day Koi up. I do love them though. They're awesome over there. You won't regret getting any fish from these guys. So pretty, and it looks like the water is low and slimy because they've been in here all day. Let's get them a cooler and make sure these guys are good to go. All right, here we go. Oh, holy moly. Wow, look at them with these black tubs. The colors on some of these fish are just so pretty. Now I do need to get more water ASAP. What are these black lines along the screen? Is that from the LEDs up top? Do you see that? I don't know. Let me get some more water for this real quick. Inside our tub, we have all 6 koi fish and a filter for tonight. That way they have oxygen, water flowing. We're good to go. See you in the morning. Howdy folks, we are on the way. It is the next morning and we're about 5 minutes away from the old PC farm, the old one. Now the VZ Kids farm. We're surprising them with some fish today. We just loaded them up. Super beautiful fish and I can't wait to see Ryan's reaction and of course all the VZ Kids as well. I'm excited to see the 4,000 gallon pond. It has been a while since I've been here. A couple weeks, maybe even months since the last time I've been here. The hogs, everyone, we're seeing everything today. Got about 5 minutes to go. It's so great to come back and see our massive hogs. Look at the size of you. Hi, you're humongous. Straight meat pigs right there, dude. We saved those when they were just little piglets. It's so crazy to see how big they are. They're just getting massive, relaxing in the shade. I love the hogs. I really do like the hogs. They're cool. A lot of people say they're ugly, but I think they're awesome. Hey, buddy. Oh, great. You replaced Gary, huh?
Yeah, that's an African goose named Jax. Action Jackson.
Hey, Action Jackson. Oh my God, it's Kevin! Kevin's back! That's not Kevin. I can tell. No, it's not. It's a fake Kevin. That's imposter of Kevin.
You know that? That's the one we actually had.
I knew it. See, I know
Duncan.
what Kevin looks like. Kevin has disappeared. He was a wild Muscovy that used to live here. He has vanished. There's ducks all over the place.
Hey, so those ones right there are like the ones you got from Blake.
Yeah,
Those are
the call ducks. Hey, llamas. These guys are so cool. I like the llamas. They're dope. I got food for you.
Bruh.
No, I don't, but I'll try. And there's these giant roosters and stuff walking around here now. So you have the llamas, roosters, goats, which their goats are not as friendly as my goats. They're scared. They're skittish. My goats are so friendly. Oh my gosh, these things are so cool. Hi. Hi. Hey, buddy. Oh my goodness. That's so cool. I feel like I'm at Lion Country Safari. Oh yeah. They added a whole nother shade thing in here. So they have a lot of shade. These pigs have a lot of shade. Hi. Hi everyone. We got Batman, Willow, Data Pig, and all the babies in there with them. I scared them. I didn't mean to do that. I was just making noises back at you. Yo, Dad Pig looks good. He's nice and big. Hey, buddy. This enclosure is so amazing. They got rid of all that grass, huh?
In like 2 weeks, the grass was gone. We laid a couple pallets of grass all around here, and we put these guys in here because it's a bigger enclosure, more shade. Then a week or two is gone.
Gone. I love this enclosure compared to the other one, though.
Oh,
this is much
clear,
better.
There's no rocks,
I told you.
It's bigger. It's secure. We remember when we secured that a couple months ago.
We did.
When Lady May kept getting out.
Yep. If you guys are unfamiliar, this is literally where all my animals once were, and then we sold it to the VZ Kids that have now built this into something totally different and so much cooler, honestly. And then we've built up the PC Farm 2.0 from there. But Willow used to be mine. We left you back with the VZ Kids. And you've obviously thrived since. This is their food bowls, just to let everyone know. Sometimes people are like, there's no water. That's over there. Let's go put some koi fish in the pond. It's been months. We're back. How long has it been exactly?
About 2 months, maybe a month and a half.
It's been a minute. We're here at the VZ Kids farm and I got them some fish. They don't know what these fish look like. They're right in that black cooler.
You got us fish.
Yes, for this pond right here. By the way, the pond looks absolutely amazing. Great. What's inside this is very, very nice. This is a new addition to your I think I have 6 new fish.
Really?
6 new fish. Ready? You guys got to react in the best way, as if, even if you hate the fish, just give me a good reaction. Got it? All right. Oh my God! Look at those! Pretty good. That was good.
Yo, those are sick.
No, they are. And some of these have beautiful, like Jinren scales, David, if you could see in there.
Wow. Where the heck did you get these guys from?
Next Day Koi.
Hey,
link in the description for 10% off.
Next.
Anthony, what do you think, bro? 6 new fish. Can you see?
Yeah.
Good luck, dude.
How sick is that?
And he's out.
He let me pick him up. That was totally his fault. You should have never let that happen. Dude, these fish are absolutely stunning. Like, let me just give you a couple looks. Come in close. This one's got a big belly on him, but they're all butterfly. All butterfly koi. And they all look very unique, different from each other, which I love so much. Look at that. This gold one is so pretty. Anthony is inside the pond. Don't worry, he rinsed off with a freshwater hose prior to getting back into this one. But there is all the koi, and I'm gonna let you do the job, Anthony. This is exactly what it's all about right here. There you go.
Bring him in front of you under. There you go. You gotta do it this way though, because he's got his GoPro. Oh my goodness.
You're gonna have to use 2 hands.
Yeah. All right, so.
Yep, there it goes. The gold one just took off. I do have this beautiful white one right here. Look at those scales, how pretty that is.
Can I grab one?
Here we go.
Dad.
Look at the face on that. Sorry, buddy. You're the one that flopped out of my hand. Long old fins right there. They're all different butterfly koi. I'm not a koi expert, so I couldn't tell you the exact koi they are, because there is an ungodly amount of different koi fish.
How about you guys get to name the white one? You guys, so post in his comments what you guys think the white one should be, and then he'll let me know the top comment, and whatever it is, that's gonna be the white one's name. So
Look at that. Look at those beautiful. Oh my goodness. Dude, they're nuts, man. They got some energy. Anthony's down there filming the koi fish currently.
Oh, we got one.
Last one.
Look at his face. Look at the red.
Is that your favorite one?
Wow, yeah, I like this one. I like this one a
Look how
lot.
long the fins are.
It's like hair.
Beautiful.
All right, let's bring him in.
Fish.
Get the cameras down.
There he goes. That one's taken off. The pond looks crazy, man. It is so clear. The water is crystal clear. A lot of these plants they got, and they already had some koi fish in here. So now, there's even more koi fish than there was. That was absolutely amazing. These kids got some new koi fish, 6 new koi fish to be exact. Shout out to Next Day Koi, and awesome. So I'm gonna close it off here with our new beautiful Muscovy duck that doesn't have a name yet, but you guys can comment a name. You are just perched up right on my shoulder, huh? I don't know how I feel about you. Like, she's cool, but then at the same time, you're a real sometimes. So I've been feeding this duck for the last 2 days, so I don't see why it would leave. But you low-key scare me, I'm not gonna lie. You were raised by humans, don't lie to me. Kinda interesting, I'm literally about to shoot my outro with a duck on my shoulder. By the way, I've never met this duck in my life. You gotta love animals, right? Thank you so much for watching, Cuffaros. If you did go on to enjoy this video, please do smash a like button. Hopefully this duck will be in the next video if it doesn't fly away. For now, we got a new Muscovy as well. I'll see y'all in the very next video. Peace!